Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Video. Today we are diving into some amazing tips and tricks for your Amazon Kindle. Whether you are a seasoned reader or just getting started, these tips will help you get the most of your e-reader. So without wasting a time, let's jump right in. So first of all, you need to choose the right Kindle device. So let's discuss about the choosing the right Kindle. So think about like who will be using it. Like, is it for an adult or for a child? So this Kindle Kids edition is a fantastic option for kids, but the Paperwhite Kids is waterproof and also it's a great for bath time reading. So do we need all these features, or the basic Kindle has like Wi-Fi, and also the Paperwhite Boast is like high resolution display. So if you want the base, the Kindle Oasis offer waterproofing and ergonomic grip, as well as it's perfect for the reading like anywhere. And if you are a book lover, consider Kindle Unlimited for just $9.99 a month, and you will get access to over a millions books and audiobooks. What about the battery life for the Kindle? So, like, let's talk about the battery saving. So, to save your batteries, your Kindle's battery life, just turn off your Kindle's Wi-Fi when you are not using it. And if you have a cellular model, then just disable the mobile data as well while you are not using the internet. And also one more step to save the battery is just lowering the brightness and turning off auto brightness can also save your battery life. And please remember, unplug your Kindle once it's fully charged to avoid battery degradations. Let's talk about making your Kindle kid friendly. So now let's make your kids friendly. So enable the Amazon Kids function from the option menu and create a profile for your child. This way you can share books from your own collections, and you can also set the reading goals, and you can also you can also get the reward badges to keep them motivated. And please don't forget, you can also subscribe to Amazon Kids Plus for age appropriate content. All right, now let's talk about downloading PDFs and more other stuffs to the Kindle. So if you want to read some PDF files, just go to the Amazon website, find your Kindle email address and approve it in your account settings. That's where you can send documents or any other work directly to your Kindle. Also, you can also get free ebooks from friends and family by sending them to your Kindle email address. If you want to take notes and also you want to highlights on the Kindle, that would be very easy on a Kindle. So if you love to highlight, bookmark like important pages by selecting go to highlight quotes by pressing and holding a word, then extending your selection. You can even leave notes for yourself. Access all your notes and highlights via Kindle web browser, so you can find that feature in your Amazon account where you can see all your notes and highlights. So if you search like Kindle Notebook tool in Google, it will give you a direct link to go, and you can find all those notes and highlights whatever you made while you read your books. And to be honest, it's a great way to keep track of your thoughts as well. If you want to organize your library, it's a really good option in Kindle. So organize your library by creating collections. Just tap the three dots in the menu and create new categories. You can also group by author or even by kids books or even by title. Now let's talk about browsing and definitions. So did you know that you can browse the internet on Kindle? So just select the experimental browser from the option menu, look up word meaning or check out reviews all from your Kindle. Plus, you can search for definition offline by pressing and holding any words, and also you can even change your original language settings for more options. And this is at the end of these tips, I would like to give you the quick fire tips as well. So let's wrap it up and with some quick fire tips. So first tip is like add the Kindle clock to keep track of time. Use a cover to protect your Kindle. Create reading themes for different times of the day. Tap the bottom left corner to cycle through reading states. Set your screensaver to your current book cover. Secure your account with a password. And that's the wrap of the some quick fire tips. That's a wrap on our Kindle tips and tricks. If you found this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips from Tech Video. What's your favorite Kindle feature? Let us know in the comment below. And thank you so much for watching and happy reading. Bye.